Good evening. This this is a list of potentially paranormal experiences that I've had during my life, and it's Halloween soon. So I've started thinking that I might make a Halloween video telling these, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spooky stories. When I'd written this list, and I sat it in front of me and looked at it and started thinking about, right, okay, what am I gonna mention in each case, blah blah blah, you know. It read black shapes, moving bags, will-o'-the-wisp, Danish castle, ghost dog, death portent, quarry trumpets. And it occurred to me that if I walked into an abandoned building and found that list laying around, that's a scary list. I would be straight out the door. I'd be right back out there and hoping that there was an Asda on the way home for a new pair of pants. Which then made me think, okay, let's use this little list as a teaser, a little promo for my Halloween video. So there you go. Have a look at these unfortunate set of words, and the let's see what they can do with your imagination. Yeah, I'm going to do a Halloween video covering those subjects, all of which I have personally experienced. See you later.